First, add a single vertex, which I had put in my quick favorites. There is a tutorial about it in my channel. If you want, take a look. Then I use different direction and extrude to make something like a mortar. Next, I go to Modifier tab and add a modifier called a screw. To make the surface smoother, I increase the number of polygons with the subdivision surface modifier. Then I make some changes to make it more similar to what I want. I want to close the bottom of the mortar, so I go to transform pivot point and click on it. I choose the 3D cursor option, which allows me to close the end of the mortar with a few clicks on the keyboard. The cursor is in the middle. By pressing the E key, then S and the number 0, our vertex goes to the center of the grid. Next, I use loop cut and add more vertices to it. Gradually, I try to achieve the desired shape. Now, I want to add some thickness to it, but the end of the mortar comes out. I change the mode to the third one, which is complex, and adjust the thickness. Here, I move the modifiers around to get a better result. I bring the solidify modifier above the subdivision surface. Finally, I add a pestle to it. I made it by extruding, but it can also be done with the screw modifier.